keeping your feet forward and avoiding the sides. Face forward at all times when on the escalator and remain standing. For your own safety, please do not sit on the steps. Thank you.
Now, on March 15, 1915, our founder, Emmanuel Remley, he invited the public into our studio to watch silent movies being made. The guests could walk from set to set and marvel at the brand new technology involved in filmmaking. But with the invention of sound in film and the need to be quiet on a movie set, they eventually walked into what needed. And it wasn't until the 1960s, under the leadership of company chairman Lou Locksmith and executives Al Dorskin and Jay Stein, that the idea of the reviving a tour of the studio returned when the Gray Line bus tours, which originated in Hollywood, made us stop at our very gates. Now, on July 15th, 1964, the first of our red and white candy-striped railroad trams took just 67 passengers on a 2-hour driving tour of the Universal Lot, and thus the world-famous studio tour was born. And we started with just 2 drivers, 2 guides, and 1 ticket seller working out of a trailer on Lankershim Boulevard. And from there, our studio tour expanded with fantastic one-of-a-kind Hollywood elements like the rock slide and the burning house, which were in this area of the lot back in the 1970s and 80s. Now, you might have noticed that we are on a red and white candy-striped glamour trip. This is one of 7 super trams that we have dressed up in throwback style. Now, you'll be able to see